Hello all of you. Welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to see another type of chart for data visualization technique, which is known as an area chart. So let's open Microsoft Excel. This is Microsoft Excel latest version. Open a blank workbook. Now for the area chart, we will have some data as usual, like student. Here I will have marks out of 100. So A, then B, student C, D and E. And out of 100, suppose we have 55, 70, 35, 80, and we can say 20. So these are the marks. So for the 3D area chart, select this data, go to Insert tab, and here you will find in the line chart and 3D area chart. So you can just click on this and just resize it to your window like this, and then drag it in the front of the screen. So you can observe that this is then another type of chart which is known as a 3D area chart, and it is used to visualize your data. So if you visualize this for A, you can see for A the value is 55, so it is this middle line is 50. So you can add data labels, you can do like this. If I have to add F, G and H, and for that suppose 50 marks, G has got 100 and H has got 50. So click on the chart and just extend this selection, previous selection, like this. So you can see some mountainous type of graph. This is 3D area chart. This is the area behind. If you have to change some data, it is a live representation of your data. So see, for this 80 which is shown here, if you type 60, the value will change. Hit enter. See, it has changed from 80 to 60. So in this way we can make use of the 3D area chart in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.